Hi everyone, Alexis here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. And to all of my subscribers that have stuck with me this entire time, thank you so much. You know how much I appreciate your support, and I hope to hear from you guys in the comments. So today I'm really excited. I'm going to be doing my very first smartphone unboxing, and I will be unboxing one of the biggest and most talked about smartphones on the market right now. This just came out, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. This phone retails for $1,200 to $1,400 in the US. There's a lot of good deals, so make sure you shop around. But that does make this hands down the most expensive smartphone I've ever purchased. So I will be highlighting some of the main features that I think the average consumer is looking for in a smartphone, and I will also post all of the specs in the description, so make sure you guys check that out and let me know what you think. We're about to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G smartphone. I'm excited. All right, let's open up this baby and see what's inside. Here it is, the moment of truth. Is this as satisfying to watch as it is to actually do? Let's see what's inside. Okay, I think just a card. This beautiful thing we will take a look at in a moment. Let's see, we have the charging cable. It's going to be a USB Type-C quick charger. Okay, just leave that here. And then of course you have your usual warranties and instruction manuals. And that is it. As you can see, there is no charging brick included, but that's okay. We'll get to that later. As I mentioned, there is no charging brick included. However, Samsung claims you can get a 100% charge in 1 hour, and it does support wireless charging. Now, I just wanted to mention that there is also no expandable storage on the S21 Ultra. There's no memory card slot, so it does come in 3 different storage capacities: 128 gig, 256 gig, and 512. So the 128 and 256, you get 12 gigs of RAM, and with the 512 gigabytes of storage, that comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM. So we have a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2-time display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 3200 by 1440 with 515 ppi for all you pixel peepers out there. So this is in the Phantom Black color, and I just want to take this off. Let's just see what we're working with here under the hood. Okay, so right off the bat, this phone is a little heavy. Probably not much heavier than the usual smartphone these days, but I would recommend investing in a really good case so you don't drop this beautiful, sexy thing. Now we know what the S stands for. It's sexy. This is like a very nicely coated matte black that kind of has like a satin finish. Super smooth, so it'll probably slip right out of your hands, and a highly reflective display, as I said, with the Corning Gorilla Glass with an IP68 rating. I just wanted to add. So let's just do a full walk around here. We have the back with the rear cameras, the front obviously with the selfie camera, and then down here we have your SIM card, charging port, speaker, volume rocker, I guess it would be the power button. And you have another little speaker up there. Again, there is no 3.5 millimeter jack, which some people still care about. I know I do. And most importantly, and most notably, it is lacking any type of expandable storage. But other than that, I mean, it's a very sexy phone. It's really smooth. It's nice. They got rid of the curved display here, so it doesn't really wrap around the sides anymore. I actually prefer it this way. You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. And then I think this also comes in Phantom Silver, and then there are exclusive colors that you can get online only. So as you can see, there are a lot of cameras on the back. Up here we have the 12 megapixel ultra wide, 108 megapixel wide, which is your main camera. Then we have a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with a 3x zoom, and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with a 10x zoom. And then moving over to the front, we have a 40 megapixel front-facing selfie camera as well. This phone also provides the option of night mode and something called the director mode, where it lets you film using the rear and front-facing cameras at the same time for all of you cinematic smartphone filmers out there. I know I'll test it out. It shoots in 8K video at 24 frames per second and also 4K at 60 frames per second. So I don't know what 8K looks like on a phone. This is only 6.8 inches, but if you're going to broadcast it onto your own movie screen or your projector parties, then I guess it would be pretty awesome. We'll just have to wait and see how that develops in the mainstream. And I just want to pop this off. Ooh. It's a good looking phone. I also wanted to note that the S21 Ultra does have S Pen support, but as you could see, that was also not included, so you'd have to purchase that separately. Lastly, I just want to mention that this does come with a fingerprint reader and the Samsung Knox security feature, if that's important to you guys. Well, that was my smartphone unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or if you already own the phone, let's talk about it. Start a discussion. Leave me a comment. Make sure you hit that like button, and I will catch you on the flip side.